Hi guys, I'm Shasha, and in celebration of 50 subscribers, I am going to make the world famous Dalgona coffee for my dad because it's his birthday. So, I'm going to be using this as a measuring spoon, and the ingredients are 2 spoons of instant coffee. It can be any brand. 2.5 spoons of sugar. It doesn't have to be brown sugar. You can also use white sugar. And 4 spoons of heated water. So first, you add the coffee powder in. Then I left a little bit inside the bowl so that I can sprinkle it on top when I'm decorating. Then I'm gonna add all the sugar. Like that. And then I'm gonna add the water. Then I'm just gonna mix it all together. I'm just going to mix it like this to make it easier. So it should look like this. And then, to make it frothy, you can use a hand mixer if you want. But if you want to make it a little bit faster, you can use this electric one. And then you should... And after you do that for a while, and you should tilt it to the side so it's easier to mix. And after you do that, it should look like this. So now it's time to put it on the coffee. I just put cold milk in a cup because I'm making the cold kind. And then you can just gather it. So you can put it all the way to the top. And I'm just flattening it out a little bit. And then, with the extra coffee powder that I saved, you can just sprinkle a little bit on top. But kind of a lot. And then, when you're done, if you take a little bit longer, it should look like this. It looks so delicious. I bet my dad's gonna love it. So, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. And thank you. Bye.